Let's expand the quantity square root of 3 minus 1 squared. Notice that the square root of 3 is one term and the minus 1 is another term. So we have two terms. It's a binomial we're squaring. We can thus FOIL. Applying FOIL gives us the square root of 3 squared plus 2 times the square root of 3 times -1 plus -1 squared. The square root of 3 squared is just 3, and the middle term is -2 times square root of 3, and at the end we get just +1. Notice that the 3 and the 1 are like terms. We can add them. The middle term is not like the other two because it has a square root in it. This will give us 3 plus 1 as the first term and -2 times the square root of 3 as the second term. So we end up with 4 minus 2 times the square root of 3. If you've learned something from this video, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Here is all the work from top to bottom for easy reference.